Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Go beyond the perishable to realize the potency of the all-attractive, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. If I can share no other verse from chapter 18, at this moment, I would share text 7. Niyatasya tu sanyasa karmano no papanyate mohat tasya pariryangas tamasah parikirtita. The duties that are prescribed, they shouldn't be renounced. One may give up their prescribed duties because of illusion. And if they do that sort of thing, declare it to be in the mode of ignorance. Mere human. Mere humanitarianism is an inferior charity. Mere humanitarianism is an inferior charity. Gatherings of worshippers are greater than any single ritual performer. Devotional service starts with listening and reading. Perfection of devotional service allows for perfect understanding of sacred scripture, which would allow no gaps to be understood first by secular scholars. Perfection of the deserts of worship is seen in scriptures. Life is to cultivate that religious knowledge. A spiritual path is meant to produce spiritual leaders of all who take it fully on. See your physical existence as a means by which you are given opportunity, but God is the ultimate inheritor and the ultimate controller. Advanced society doesn't prefer mere enjoyment. A purpose of religion is to make sure all can be properly occupied. Priests should know scripture. And rulers should decide based on scriptures. Religion is regulated according to God and can't be invented. Religion is one, and always called for controlled vibrations of certain words as a way to purify and be liberated. And there are other vibrations other than just vibrations of words, but that's another more complex matter. Perception, reason, and testimony from authority completes knowledge. The best knowledge is older than humanity. History goes back further than we think. Conditioned life necessitates forgetfulness. God is not directly known. nor otherwise acts in this world because of its needs, but for ours, and to give us a chance for salvation. Each planet is said to have a being over it. That's why people believe there are gods of this, that, and the other, because there are light beings of places, fire beings of places, of things, of types. God has mysteries only revealed to the devotee. And some of these mysteries are within texts. And spiritual texts, for those who believe them and practice them, have something different about them. Realize God as transcending conception, being personally relatable, and as being known through an external personality, possessing forms. All those names in the Bible that have the El and the Yah, Aleph, Lamed, Yud, Hey, anything that ends in that, you're talking possession of God. It's not that this is a God. It's not that this form particularly incarnates God. It's just that, it's a manifestation that is acceptable unto, or is supposed to be. Well, it's given ample opportunity. Everything's given ample opportunity, so I'm going off on a tangent. So, condemnation and company shouldn't be put to the sameness of black and white thinking. Avatars are given special allowances. Avatara, ascent, away and over, crossing over, is as the secondary principle of religion, being that God establishes authority to teach humanity that relationship with God and creation. And the exemplar prophet, the messenger prophet, you see that sort of idea coming through with that. The kingdom starts with compassion for all living beings. Then it is by realizing that all material is impermanent. And finally, it is in realizations of the imperishable. Like the sunrise and sunset, existence doesn't rely on our perception, our attention. Religious titles represent enlightenment, saving, and liberating according to a path. God doesn't send a representative except to change and confirm the claim over humanity in terms of cause and effect and a causal. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent is the first word in this chant that you'll hear. And the second word in this chant, the all-attractive, God of light. And the third word that comes up, the God of sound, the enjoyer. So let's go beyond forms and realizing what these things are, and go beyond the moving of those forms, those vibrations themselves. But realize, chant, and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.